Ready to ditch the hours of grueling manual test case entry and instantly boost your Jira testing efficiency? Let's face it, manually entering test cases into Jira from Excel spreadsheets is tedious and time-consuming, but what if you could import them directly? Today, we're showing you exactly how to do that. First, ensure you have the necessary plugin installed in your Jira instance. Go to Apps in the top navigation, then select Manage Your Apps, and search for an import add-in. This add-in usually facilitates the import of test cases directly from Excel. Next, prepare your Excel spreadsheet. Organize your test cases into a standardized format. Make sure your Excel headers match the fields you want to import into Jira, such as test case ID, summary, steps, expected result, and any relevant custom fields. Within Jira, navigate to the test case import functionality using your add-in. This will typically be accessible from within a project or related to your testing functionality. Select the option to import from Excel. Upload your prepared spreadsheet. The add-in will likely prompt you to map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding fields in Jira. This is where you tell the importer which Excel column data corresponds to which Jira field. Be careful while mapping the columns. Once the mapping is set, initiate the import process. The add-in will process the Excel data and create new test cases in Jira. Watch the progress bar and confirm that everything has been imported correctly. Once completed, review the import summary for any errors or inconsistencies. Finally, verify the imported test cases within Jira. Make sure all the information, including the summary, steps, and expected result, are correctly populated. You should now have all of your test cases neatly and efficiently imported into Jira. Congratulations, you have streamlined your testing workflow. And that's how you import test cases into Jira from Excel, saving you time and effort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.